वाई डू वी नीड पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज? पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की नेसेसिटी क्यों है? वाई मॉडर्न डेमोक्रेसीज कैन नॉट एग्जिस्ट विदाउट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज? इसको थोड़ा उल्टा करके समझते हैं। इमेजिन द सिचुएशन विदाउट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज। एक ऐसे सिचुएशन की कल्पना करें जब पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं है। इन दैट सर्कमस्टांसेस independent elections are organized. In that election, people independently contest or take part in the elections. It means you will find independent candidate instead of political party leaders or political parties not able to make any promises. Political parties in election presented proper agenda if they form a government, what they will do in future. But independent candidate cannot make any type of promises. They only make promises for their constituencies or for their people, those who are electing them. Government may be formed, सरकार बन सकती है, but its utility will be uncertain. उसकी utility uncertain होगी. In that circumstances, they cannot function properly because independent candidate will fight with each other. In that accountability will be missing, accountability towards their constituency, not for the nation. We form political parties to run a country, run a system, but here independent candidate cannot perform like this because they are only responsible for their areas where they get elected. Large and diverse societies need representative democracies, like countries like India where diverse peoples are there. You can see Punjab to Jammu Kashmir, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, different parts of the country. People are diverse from each other. They are different from each other. Our country's population is also a large number. So in that type of society, we need various representatives to represent them. Then also they needed a mechanism, they needed a system or mechanism to support or restrain the government, either to support or restrain or oppose the government, make policies, programs, then justify and oppose them. All these functions, as we discussed in previous part, the functions of political parties, all such functions are performed by a political parties only. Independent one cannot perform all such policies. So that's why we need political parties. In modern democracies, it is one of the necessary condition for a democracies to need a political parties. That's why political parties are necessary for a democracies.